As soon as you start talking about budgets, spreadsheets, I get it, like it does not sound like a good time.
Look, I wouldn't say spreadsheets are exciting, but I think they're a very strong tool. When I'm setting a renovation budget, I'll have a spreadsheet and I'll actually break down the areas of what I want to do in the renovation. Maybe I want to put a new kitchen in and a bathroom, put a deck in, and then within those areas I'll try to itemize and as much detail as I can. When you start, you might not know how much that's actually going to cost, so I'll put some figures in, and those might just be guesses or estimates. Then as I go out and get quotes, I put in actual prices and firm up those figures. You can actually make changes to your decisions as you go along, whether you're over or under budget.
The reality of renovation is there's always going to be unknowns. Every one of our budgets has a contingency so that when unknown costs arise, we have some money set aside.
Making sure that we're adaptable with our renovation and our budget is really key to make sure we don't panic and freak out.
The whole point for us in having a renovation spreadsheet is it's a working document. It constantly changes. So you actually save yourself a lot of mental stress by just having everything in one place. Just because you have a budget doesn't mean you can't be creative. I've come to find that some of my best design decisions have actually come out of a very restricted budget. When you know what your budget is, it really dictates your decisions and becomes a real tool as you renovate.
State. Insurance for two busy lives.